me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I am about to give myself a chemical peel. I like to give myself a chemical peel every 6 months. We're gonna do the face and the cooter cat, okay? So I'm about to go ahead into the shower. I will be right back. Gonna take some Aquaphor. We're gonna put it. If your skin falls off the bone, I don't want to hear anything. That ain't got nothing to do with me. That's on you, okay? I'm not licensed for anything. Yeah, except for to drive. That's it. So if your skin falls off the bone, girl, that's on you. That's not on me. Okay, cool. Let's begin. Like where it's looking gray means it's frosting. It's time to rinse the cooter cat and neutralize her. I'll be right back when it's time to neutralize this face. All right, so I have some paper towel here. We're going to neutralize. I have the makeup art. Oh, did I mention where I got all this from? It's from Makeup Artist Choice. So I got the Makeup Artist Choice Post Peel Neutralizer. You can also use water and baking soda if you don't have the neutralizer on you. But I think this came in a kit with one of my previous peels. So, okay. So I am going to use my CeraVe foaming facial cleanser to wash my face, because you have to wash your face. And the cooter cat. Cooter cat's already clean though. So, yeah, and then I'll be right back. To moisturize my face, I'm gonna use the Clinique Moisture Surge, because you can use it. And I don't want something heavy on my face, because girl, I'm about to go to bed soon. This has been an all-day process of washing my hair. Washing my hair, blow drying said hair. It's a lot. It's a lot for me. Okay. I feel a bit of tightness around my nose. Nothing on my forehead as much, but who knows? It might change tomorrow. So I'll see y'all tomorrow with a quick checkup. Check-in? Check-in. Yeah, bye. I'm back. I am peeling. I didn't know. Like it was, when did I just come? I think like 40 minutes ago, because I like to put the Moisture Surge first and then just let it sit, and then I put the Aquaphor afterwards. But girl, look, I think that's the fastest my skin has started to peel. I'm very itchy though, like girl, my forehead itchy. I don't know if y'all could tell, but like my forehead, it looks aged a little bit, but that's what happens before it starts peeling. So it's a bit darker. Like, can y'all see like where my eyebrows are and then this part, like the difference in shades? But yeah, this is the girl. We are zooming. Good morning. It's day 2, I think. Day 3. We're still experiencing more peeling like down the chin now. My forehead is like, can y'all see that? Extremely smooth. Yeah, I'm not experiencing anything. Yeah, it's just all around here right now. That's where the peeling is mostly taking place. So around the mouth and chin area. I haven't experienced any peeling. Oh, actually, oh, okay. We're experiencing some peeling like right here, like superficial peeling. I don't think I'm gonna experience like experiencing any like deep peeling like I did for my Just Nurse peel, because now that I'm doing it like routinely, so there's not like that much hyperpigmentation or like I don't know, anything to like really get off. I already washed my face. I haven't put anything on. We are leaving the house today, so we're going to slather in some SPF because it is snowing and it's sunny at the same time. There's like a snowstorm. I don't know, it's weird. But I'm gonna use my Moisture Surge. Then I'm going to use SPF. We're not gonna use Aquaphor today. My face is only itchy when I initially wash it and I haven't put any product on. So we're okay for right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go outside today. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna bring my spray SPF because I feel like I'm gonna be outside all day and I do really wanna make sure I reapply it. Or I might just take my regular SPF. The SPF I like to use is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Sun Cream SPF 30. So we're gonna use that, and then yeah, we're just gonna be outside all day today. Hopefully I'll remember to reapply it as the day goes by. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all tomorrow, because I don't think there's gonna be any like dramatic changes between now and the evening, you know what I mean? So yeah. Good morning. I think it's day 4 or 5. I'm not sure. I couldn't tell you. I don't remember. But this is how my skin is looking. We are, let me see. We are peeling all around the nose and the chin and the mouth area. I think this area is gonna start peeling soon because it's like very leathery. Yeah, that's the word. Leathery, and it's leathery up here too. Like when I scrunch my eyebrows, can y'all see like it's like really wrinkled, and I don't have like wrinkles like that. So yeah, like when I do this, can y'all see? It's like very leathery. So just took a shower, washed my face. I'm good. And I went grocery shopping yesterday, so I was able to pick up some stuff that I like to use on my face when I have a chemical peel. So yeah, okay. So we're gonna start off with, if I could just find it, because girl, I can't see. I like to use the Garnier Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. It's for normal combination skin. I like it because it's like very lightweight, but it's not lightweight to the point where it doesn't do anything. You know what I mean? So yeah. As for like my neck and my chest area, that always takes the longest to start peeling, to be honest with you. So I feel like by the time my face is done peeling, which will be, I want to give it like another week. Yeah, another week. That's when my chest and my neck will start peeling. So that's annoying, but whatever. And then next I like to use, this is like a dupe of the Eucerin moisturizing cream. I think it's Eucerin. I think so. I'm not entirely sure, but it's from Real Canadian Superstore, the Life brand. I think this was $10.99. So $10.99 for all this, lovely. It's for dry skin, so I like it. I don't have dry skin, so, but this, how do I explain? Okay, so this is for dry skin. I don't have dry skin, but I like that this, it like really locks in the moisture without being greasy like Aquaphor, for example. So yeah. So I take, ooh, 1 full pump. So like that amount. Can y'all see that? Yeah, that amount. And then, ooh, here we go. Like that. On my neck. And then down my chest. Okay. So I like to rub the excess off my hands first before I move on to my face. So just doing that now. And then really just rub it in. And then lastly, SPF, because where I'm working today, like in the house, I'm in front of windows so I can get some vitamin D. Cause girl, I've been working from my bed and it's like taking a toll. Taking a toll on me, to be honest with you. I'm not even gonna lie. Even though it's covered by clothing. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. So it's the next day. I just washed my face. It's starting to get itchy, so I'm gonna quickly do like a once over so y'all can see what's going on. We are peeling officially on the forehead. We're still doing like superficial peeling around the nose area, my chin as well. We're peeling on the neck. We're starting to peel right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see if it'll focus. Like, can y'all see the difference between the lighter parts and the darker parts? We're peeling there and we're peeling here. I'm peeling around my temples. So it's one thing at a time, okay? I'm just gonna, again, we're going to load up on the moisturization. I think I'm just gonna use this alone today because I don't really need the other one right now, do I? Yeah. All right, so these are my results. I'm officially done peeling. I was done peeling about, I think, a week ago. Yeah, about a week ago. My chest, there's no difference. Like, I'll post the after pictures of the last peel I took. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna do before and after pictures so y'all will see it on the screen as I'm talking to you, like right now. But when I look at it, I don't notice like a huge difference. I do see improvement on my neck. Like, can y'all see that? Let me zoom in. I do see some improvement, but not like drastic to what it was the first time I did a peel. So, well, that was on my face because I don't think I did a peel on my neck. Maybe I should try Jessner's on my neck. I don't know. I don't know. What I will say is that I'm not doing TCA peels anymore. I do not have time. Every time I've seen somebody get a TCA peel, they said they're done peeling within 7 days. Somebody's lying because two of the last times, this time and last time, were TCA peel. I peeled, I think 3 weeks last time, same this time. I don't have time for that. It's very annoying, very irritating. But yeah, I'm done peeling, so praise the Lord for that. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the Jessner's peel. I don't know if it's gonna be like as deep as it was the first time. I don't know, I'm not sure. Couldn't tell ya. Maybe it'll be deeper because I dermaplaned for this peel. I dermaplaned a week before, you know, and then let the skin kind of sort of heal, but not all the way, so it can like penetrate deeper. And yeah, I think my skin's clear. I like it. I do want this whole place to be clear. I'm not really worried about my face because I didn't really have that much hyperpigmentation. I did notice that like my face was darker than the rest of my body, but now we're kind of sort of matching. We own. And I realized that I've been wearing the wrong foundation shade. So now that my peel is done, I went to Sephora. I got shade matched. Well, I shade matched myself. And I'm happy. So I'm still the same shade for Fenty. I wear, I think it's 445. It's the warm olive, whatever that is. I couldn't tell you. I'll put it on the screen. But I do know that in NARS, I'm not Iguaku Dark 3 anymore. I'm New Caledonia. so that's cool. Those are the only two foundations that I really use right now. I don't think I use anything else, no. Cause girl, I don't be wearing makeup like that, but anyways, that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I'm happy with the results. If y'all want to try out the products that I use, they will all be linked down below in the description box. That's pretty much it. I'm happy. When will be the next time I do a peel? Probably after summer, cause I don't want to do it like in the heat of summer. Cause girl, I'm telling you right now, if I do it in the summer, I'm not gonna be wearing sunscreen. I'll wear sunscreen consistently, like per usual, but I will not be reapplying it if I'm doing a chemical peel, and I don't want my skin to go like get worse. So, well, go bad, because it's not bad right now. So yeah, I don't want to deal with that. So I'll wait till after summer, you know, when daylight saving starts to kick back in and there's less sun outside. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. All right, bye-bye.